So you could see that the largest value is 56 and the smallest value is -1. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class, we are going to create a program which will display the largest and smallest values of list without using any inbuilt functions. Let us open Python. Find the largest and smallest values of a number list without using any inbuilt functions. I will take the input from the user. MyL is equal to, I will use eval of input of, enter the list. If you want to mention with the numbers, we can say enter the number list. Initially, I will have two variables. One is for larger, I give LRG, and then other is for smaller, so I will give SML. Both I will initialize as the first value of the list, that is MyL of 0. So this will be compared with the next element. If the next element is larger, I will replace this larger with the next element. So every time the for loop runs, the element is checked whether the previous larger is larger or the current one. If the current one is larger, it will again replace. Similar way, smaller also will be done. I will be traversing the list now for I in using the range. So I already have the first element. I need to compare with the next element. So the index number, if I start 1, that is enough. So 1 comma len of myl. If myl of I is greater than LRG, then I am going to replace that LRG. LRG is equal to myl of I. Similar way, I will also check for smaller. So again I will be using if condition. If myl of I is lesser than SML. Now I will replace SML equal to myl of I. So when the for loop completes, the smallest value will be in SML, the largest value will be LRG. Now we will come out of this condition in the loop, then print both. So print largest value is LRG. Similar way, print smallest value is SML. Let us run this program. I give a list here 6, 4, 2, 9, minus 10, 20, 56. So you could see that the largest value is 56 and the smallest value is -1. Let us run this once again to check whether the first element is being checked or not, because we traverse from the index number 1, that is the second element. So you may have a doubt. For that purpose, I run this once again. I copy paste the same list, but I will change the first element as some 76. So you could see that 76 is the biggest number and then -10 is the smallest number. Hope this was very clear to you. If you are having any doubt regarding any program or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.